So I'm having an issue with this GorillaPod. You can see here that some of the legs are moving very easily, and I have a feeling it's just from me touching it, getting a little bit of oil on it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take each one of these off. I'm going to put them through a cycle in the dishwasher in hopes that it will degrease it. Some of them come off real easy, some of them don't. Alright, so I'm going to put this through a cycle in the dishwasher. I've never seen this done before, don't know if it's going to work. And while I'm at it, I'll load up some dishes. So this is how you load up a dishwasher. So one thing I had to do was place a lid over this because the pieces were flying out. And I secured this lid with knives just to keep it from moving around so it doesn't move laterally. And the water wasn't strong enough to kick it out.